God, I love morning drop-off.
Who's up for 9 a.m. Zumba?
Oh, God, no.
She peed.
I've been there.
I'm sorry. Could you just give me a second?